Your lesson essential question is, how do we identify cause and effect relationships in informational texts? So today we're going to be looking for cause and effect relationships as we're reading. Key details in informational texts are connected in specific ways. We have the cause, which is the reason something happens, and the effect, which is what happens as a result of the effect. So yesterday we talked about, because of the snow, the man made a snowman. So the cause was snow, the effect was he went out and made a snowman. So we start by reading the informational text, and then we look for words and phrases that show connections between the key details. Those connections are very important. You've learned about sequence, now we're talking about cause and effect. Last, we speak or write about the text structure by using specific words and phrases. So if you look over here, some cause and effect words we might find as we're reading or use as we're writing are because, the reason for, on account of, bring about, give rise to, created by, contributed by, led to, due to, since, as a result, outcome, finally, consequently, therefore, for this reason, hence, effect, then, and so. Let's read the first two paragraphs of Cloudy with a Chance of Cats and Dogs and look for some cause and effect relationships. Then you'll read the third paragraph on your own and identify some more cause and effect relationships. You may have heard the saying, "It's raining cats and dogs out there." But what's really going on up in the sky? Read on to find out. Rain comes from clouds, but where do clouds come from? First, it's important to understand that all air contains water. This invisible water is called water vapor. When warm air rises, it cools down. Cool air can't hold as much water vapor as warm air, so the water vapor grabs a ride on tiny pieces of dust in the air. The vapor forms water droplets around the bits of dust. A cloud is formed when billions of these water droplets come together. So I read that cool air can't hold as much water vapor as warm air. If that's our cause, our effect is the vapor grabs a ride on tiny pieces of dust in the air. The word "so" connects the cause with the effect. I also read that billions of these water droplets come together. When they come together, what is the effect? You probably said the effect is a cloud is formed. Now in this case, the effect came before the cause in the text, and that's okay. They're connected with the word when. When this happens, this happens. Now it's your turn to practice.